Okay, I think we are live now. Please let me know if you can hear me well, if you can see me. Okay, I think we are live now. Please let me know if you can hear me well, if you can see me. Okay, I think we are live now. Please let me know if Okay, sorry, we had some minor technical issues. I think we are good now. Let me know if still not. Okay, I think I'll share my screen now and we can begin our webinar. My name is Victoria. I'm a customer success manager at Checkaso. Just let me share my screen. Just a moment. Okay, I think you should see the proper screen now. I'm very excited to host today's webinar as we are going to talk about our updated feature, keywords tracking. I'm very proud of this feature and I will be happy to walk you through it. I think I'll start with our upper block, which is almost didn't change at all. Basically, we have a date picker here. It's by default, the last week is selected here, but you can always change the period if needed. Also, here we have a competitor set. I've already added 5 competitors to the app. Today, I'm using Headspace as an example to walk you through this tab. You can always delete competitors if needed. You can change them and just add up to 20 competitors if you need that much. Below is our killer feature. I will say keyword overview. It's something new that we didn't have before here. Basically, we have our keywords here, and you can quickly switch them just by clicking on one button. And as you can see, parameters are changing accordingly. So let's just stay on this keyword as an example, and I will tell you a little bit more about each metric that we have here. Let's start with search volume. It shows the keyword popularity on a scale from 5 to 99 in the selected country. Now we have United States selected here, so it will be different for each country. The next metric is rank. It shows the up rank in search results by the keyword. Total impressions is the number of users who search for the keyword in the selected country during the selected period. Daily impressions, this is the number of users who search for the keyword in the selected country, but per day. And difficulty, this is our new metric on a scale from 5 to 99 as well, that indicates how difficult it is to promote an app to the top positions in search results by the keyword. In Checkaso, difficulty is calculated individually for the app in the selected period. So it calculated individually for your app, not just in general. Just a reminder that we have now this collapse button, so you can click show less and it will be collapsed. So you will have only information that you need on the page. Okay, let's move on to the graph, app ranking dynamics. So this graph shows the keywords which are selected from the table below. Just let me quickly show you how it works. Let's select several words. So as you can see, the keywords are displayed on the graph now, and it shows the position for each keyword. So super bright and colorful graph. Also, you can export it if needed for the reports. Let's collapse it as well and focus on our direct keywords table. Okay, I think we can start with filters. So filters are more flexible now for the keywords. So let's click on it and apply some filters for the sake of experiment. Okay, let's select, let's say, indexed only keywords, and maybe let's change the difficulty and see if any keywords will be found by these parameters. Okay, so now we are supposed to see only indexed keywords and with the difficulty from 5 to 54. So you can apply any other filters if you need. As you can see, we have number of words in a keyword, keyword source. You can change the impression, rank, search volume, and etc. But we will just focus on the filters that I've selected. Okay, so also you can group keywords now. If you need to group them by any parameter, you can do it. Just click create group, name it, and add those keywords that you need. Also, it's worth to mention that all data is refreshed regularly, but you can always update data manually if you need. Okay, let's move on to the keywords and the parameters that we have here. I've already mentioned some metrics in the upper block in this one, but I will just quickly remind you some of them. For example, search volume. You can always click on the search volume to see its history just right from the table. I think it's very convenient, so you don't need to go to any other tabs. You can do everything in this table. And also suggestions. For example, you can click on the bulb icon and you'll see suggested keywords. Just give a moment. Okay, not that much keywords. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, okay, let's change one parameter. Let's reset all filters. And now we'll see all suggested keywords. Okay, I think my internet connection is failing me at the moment. Okay, we can see it now. Store suggestions for the keyword. So you can add those keywords directly from this pop-up window, which is also super convenient. Okay, and let's see some other metrics that we didn't mention before, such as total apps. Total apps shows the number of apps that appear in search results by the keyword. Also, our new metric in ASO, it shows whether the selected keyword is used in your metadata. At the moment, for App Store, it shows if a keyword is used in the title and subtitle, and title, short description, and full description for Google Play. So as you can see, marked with blue color. So we know exactly where this keyword is located in our metadata. Also, here we have a live search button. We can also click on the eye icon and see the live search results. Okay, let's update the period to make sure that all data is correct. So you can see who is ahead of you by this keyword, if there are any articles, or are there any advertising ads there. Okay, and also we added your competitors here, so you can see them right in the table. You can expand the list of your competitors by clicking show more, and collapse them by clicking show less. Also, I'd like to mention our new feature, which marks keywords as branded or not branded. So as you can see, for example, headspace is marked as a branded keyword. And the platform just gives us information about the keyword, but it's absolutely up to you if you'd like to use a branded keyword in your metadata or you don't want it. We just need to warn you about that. And for example, if you see a branded keyword which is not marked as branded, you can always click on this gray button that you think this keyword is branded, and our specialists will receive your request and they will check this keyword, because there are a lot of keywords that are branded for local markets, but they are not well known in that many countries. So it's always better to double check that. Also, now you can bookmark your favorite keywords right in the table, so you can focus on them. Let's click on this small icon. And those keywords will always appear at the top of the table. Okay, let's click on it again. So you can see that those keywords are highlighted in yellow now, and they will always appear at the top, no matter what, which is very convenient. So you can focus on them. Okay, let's see what I can mention here. As you can see, we have install step here, which will be available soon. Please stay tuned and we will let you know as soon as we will release this feature. we are very, very excited about it. Okay, let's see if we have any questions in the chat. Okay, Sim, please tell us more about the individuality of the difficulty. Okay, this is a great question, actually, because as I already mentioned, in Checkaso, difficulty is calculated individually for each app, not just for the keyword itself, but exactly for your app. It indicates how difficult it will be to promote an app to the top ranks in search results by the keyword. And it means that algorithm takes into the account the presence of the keyword in your metadata, the weight of the app in the store, its current rank by the keyword, as well as the popularity of the keyword, the number of apps in the search results, and a number of some other indicators, which are our top secret. Also, I'd like to mention that other services focus only on the characteristics of the keywords without considering the individual performance of the app. And what we are doing here, we are considering all the parameters of your app as well. Okay, we have another question. I simply don't get these keywords. Do I need to change my app title keywords by popularity? Could you please elaborate on your question, whether you don't have those keywords in your tracked keywords, or whether you don't have them in your metadata? Because unfortunately, I'm not sure what you meant. Okay, let's check if we have any other questions. I have to mention that this webinar is recorded, so you can always watch it twice if you need. It will be uploaded to our YouTube channel shortly after the webinar, so you can always rewatch it and make some notes if you need. And also, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us in our chat, which we have on the platform, and you can book a demo with us. If you never had a demo with us, we'll be happy to walk you through the platform and answer the questions you have. Okay, thank you for the webinar. Thank you for attending it. I think there are no more questions. Okay, we have one. What I must change to get more organic downloads? That's actually a big question, and I think our ASOS specialist will be happy to help you with that. So we will leave all the links in the descriptions so you can reach us. But briefly saying, to get more organic traffic, you definitely need to work on your ASO, and you can work on your ASO by yourself, or we also are happy to provide you with our consulting services. So it's up to you to decide. So just email us and we will answer all your questions and come up with something right for you. Okay, let me quickly check what we have in chat. One more minute. Okay, so if you will come up with any questions, just as I've mentioned, please reach out to us in chat, via email, on our YouTube channel. All the links to our blog, Instagram, Facebook will leave in the description for this video. I was happy to walk you through our renewed keyword tracking section. And thank you everyone, and have a good one. Bye.